So guys, right now you can see it all changing up and being added just like that. Within a few simple clicks, it will all be yours. So people, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how we can get free dice rolls in Monopoly Go within a few simple steps, within a few simple clicks. It is so simple and it will be so efficient, guys. You will have free dice rolls whenever you want and just enjoy playing Monopoly Go. So let me show you how. So loading up in Monopoly Go to see if we will get the free dice rolls that we are so eager to receive and just enjoy playing our favorite game of Monopoly. So guys, right now you can see it all changing up and being added just like that. Within a few simple clicks, it will all be yours. So let me make sure to adjust that your phone needs to have a Wi-Fi connection. Do not use any type of VPN connections. Now that being said, open up your browser and search for monopolygo.org. Right there, people, we have a website that is a cool looking website where you can select the amount of the dice rolls or just the money or even both. But as mentioned, today I will show you how we can get those free dice rolls. You saw earlier that I got a little bit of both, but today I will show you just how to do it. As mentioned, you can also select the money, but let's go for the dice rolls. Right then, you will enter up your username on the game or your Monopoly Go ID. Select the platform just above there and then you will be redirected, guys. So right here, you will go by the protocols right here. Just make sure that you're on this page. Do not close it up. And as you can see, almost 3,000 active users. That is a lot for a place like this. So let us see right here. Yeah, we need to perform one last step. So guys, this will be a quick one. Don't worry, we will have two options from here. To either complete two questionnaires where we will answer some simple questions and literally fill out those basics right there. So it doesn't matter what you answer, what matters that they are answered and that it is completed, 2 in total. Or you can go ahead and complete 2 apps by downloading them from the official App Store, Google Play Store, and of course, depending on the device that you are on, just read what it says from you in the description. So for example, for Zap VPN, Install plus open it up, something simple like that. Just make sure to read it all and follow those instructions. Right after that, you will have your free dice rolls in Monopoly Go for both iOS and Android devices. Don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel if this was very successful for you and useful. If not, leave a comment down below. I will gladly guide you further. Otherwise, see you in the next video. Peace.